Yo guys, what's up? Here we're taking a look at the crypto.com NFT drops. This is now Your Token Boy by Boy George. Pretty interesting things in here. The next one is Bitcoin's Not a Crime. That should be an interesting one. And the last one was Snoop Dogg. Here are some of the ones in the marketplace now. You can see they're going for a lot. I mean, people were asking outrageous amounts. See, these are original, the first drop that came out, and it's about $2,000, and they sold at $2,000 when they first came out. So here's the Snoop Doggy coins. I picked some of those up. I picked one of those NFTs up just to see what it's all about, right? So you can see there's 518 still for sale, and people were willing to take a loss on it, 150. Wow. Picked up mine at the original price, 213. So we'll see how that works out. As more people enter the crypto space, I'm guessing the other ones will go away. I don't know what'll happen to those extra 500 if they're going to just be on sale forever. Looks like there's still some of these for sale, huh? Interesting. So, yep, $13 for one of these. 1,000 of them for sale. Interesting. Alright guys, well, it's the NFTs. You can see mine is the Snoop Dogg. Interesting. So, what I really want to make this video about is they gave me refund of crypto.com, right? So I tried to purchase this thing a few different times with a bunch of crow, right, that I've been dollar cost averaging into. So as soon as they cash you out, they refunded you, and they refund you in US coin. So I got two refunds in the amount of $213 because the last one took. So I have to dollar cost average back into crypto.com crow, and it's been low, so it's not bad, right? I mean, it's 20 cents, so I'm gonna get back in. I'm gonna jump back in and start buying some. So the way we do this is we go to the crypto wallet. We're gonna select this one, and we're just gonna stay 1,000 crow. I'm just gonna say 1,000 right off the bat. Bam. Put my code in. Bam, done. And I'm just like that, I'm back up. So we'll see how that works out in the long run. Well, maybe the price will keep going down a little before it busts out to the moon. I know it's been in a little bit of a downturn recently. Not really sure why. Let's hope it goes back up here eventually. You can see some of the other stuff. Now I have USD coin. Don't really want that in my wallet, but hey, that's what I got for right now. And I do still have some fiat left, so I can pump some more into this. Might make another transfer over to my bank account. You can see I lost some money here in the transfer. I'm not sure what's going on, but I'll figure it out. Yep, it's been going down a little bit, so worst time to get out of Crow is when it's down. I'm not sure if it's going to be a taxable event. I'm not sure exactly what my cost was to get in, so might end up costing a little bit for that too, because I know I got some a little while back, and it was like 7 cents or 8 cents or whatever. So, wish I would have got a ton more. But we'll see what happens in the next couple days. Alright guys, just wanted to give you a little preview of the NFTs that are going on. And yep, I did get an NFT, so we'll see what happens. Alright guys, thanks for watching.